Alright, guys, if you're into business, I really need you to listen to me carefully. The rules have changed. What used to work for you some time back might actually be one of the reasons as to why you're in the state in which you are in, right? It might as well be one of the actual reasons as to why your business is the way it is. So, if it is not growing, maybe you need to check that fact. If it is growing and not at the speed at which you hope for or you wish it was, then you might check out one of the reasons. Yeah? The markets are evolving faster than ever before. And if you're not willing at any time to change or adapt to the new rules that have come up in the market, then trust me, you are falling behind. All right. So stick with me here for a minute because I'm going to explain exactly what I'm trying to mean. All right. So not so long ago, it was the people who used to create new products from scratch, new products from thin air, come up with new ideas and invention that used to earn a lot of fortunes. All right. So for instance, the examples I can point out here, maybe the first person who invented the first pair of scissors, my oh my, imagine how much that guy earned. Yeah. Another good example would be, take a look at the first mobile phone. Yeah. Can you imagine how much that guy earned for the first mobile phone? Right? Non pennies. Yeah. It used, I bet it was loads and loads of money. Yeah. So quite a fortune. Okay? But now, as we speak, that is no longer the thing. Yeah. As we speak, now you need to do more than just, creation. It's no longer about the production process alone. You need to do more than just production. Yeah. And the new hybrid or the new rules that have come up that you really need to take. In fact, if there's one thing you really need to take out of this one video, take up this new rule. Do not focus on the production process. Yeah. You need to focus on the sales. In fact, not just the sales. You need to be good at two things. One, you have to be good at creation and production. Two, you have to be good at sales. Yeah? You have to have the ability to create new things in the market that solve people's problems and at the same time sell those things to the people who need to use them. Are you getting the point? I hope I'm not confusing you. All right. So the reason as why the old kind of rule phase that you have to be a creator to earn fortune is because currently there are more choices on the market than it used to be back then. Yeah, because thanks to the new tech that has come up, thanks to the new AI that has come up, now most of people's businesses have become irrelevant. Yeah, take an example of AI. AI has messed up with lots of people's jobs as we speak, but now imagine you are in position to use AI to create those new products and sell those new products to the final people. You know how much money you will be earning as a person? So you get the point, you get what I'm trying to hit, right? So the key point here is do not just focus on the production process or the creation process. Yeah, you have to be good at production and sales. Why am I advocating for that new road, that be good at production and sales? One, you will be in position to create new products that will solve your clients' problems. And that is one benefit. Yeah. And with the more you sell, is the more feedback you're going to get as a person. Trust me, you're going to get feedback with you sell. And if you create and sell your own product to the final consumer, that guy will give you feedback. That lady will give you feedback. And what would you do with the feedback you get? Obviously, if it is bad feedback, you'll have to improve, iterate, and sell back a new kind of maybe improved product to the final consumer so that you get more feedback. Yeah. And if it's good feedback, then you know what gets to sell out there for you. So, and gives you the ability to focus only on that product. Yeah. Two, you creating your own product and selling it to the final consumer is going to create a bond between you and the consumer. And this bond is going to be so key. It's going to be so crucial for you as a manufacturer, for you as a business person, for you as an entrepreneur to link up with the market. And when I say the market, I mean with the final consumer. And this will help you gauge whether what you're creating is needed or not. Same as feedback, but this one is more so on the side of the relationship bond between you and the final consumer. All right. So, are you seeing how great this is now becoming? Yeah, it's now more of something that is helping the both of you who is creating and the people who are, consuming what you're creating. Yeah? So, as I sum up this video, I want to leave you with a question prompt, and I believe this is going to be a key thing for you to put in mind and find time to answer it. And this key question prompt has about two parts. One, what are you creating that is solving your clients' problems? That is one. Two, for what you've created, have you been in position to sell it? And how are you selling it? Yeah. So take some time, answer that prompt question. It's going to help you guide you on the kind of products you have to create as a person, and at the same time it's going to help you assess the means through which you're going to sell your products off to the final consumer. And with that being said, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button, and if it is helpful, you can maybe share it to other people. You never know, people are maybe stuck in the old rule of just create, money will come to you. But please just spread the awareness, share this video to other people so that they get to wake up into the new rule. And as well, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out more on these videos or other coming videos. And with that being said, peace. See you in the next one.